Let's visit the shady garden and pick some vegetables. The shady garden is cool because the trees block the sun's light and it gets some rain, but not a lot. If you want to visit a different garden, press this button. When you are done picking vegetables, press this button. Potato. Radish. Wow, look at all the vegetables we've picked. Use the arrow buttons to see all the vegetables you picked. Choose 3 vegetables and drag them into the basket. 1, choose 2 more vegetables for your soup. 2, choose 1 more vegetable for your soup. 3. Vegetable plants grow outside in the soil. That's why we need to wash them. The vegetables that grow underground have the most dirt on them. Washing vegetables is important because some vegetables have a tough outer skin that is not easy to eat. Some vegetables look really different on the inside. The seeds inside some vegetables can grow into new plants. Potatoes are root vegetables that grow underground. Can you find a pattern in the middle? The seeds inside some vegetables can grow into new plants. Radishes are root vegetables that grow underground. It has red lines coming out from the center that look like a flower. Other vegetables have leaves, pods, or stems that are not great to eat. Some vegetables look really different on the inside. Carrots are root vegetables that grow underground. What an interesting pattern! When the waste breaks down into compost, it's time to cook. We made radish and carrot soup. This tastes really fresh.